Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on this switcher next to True Tone feature, located under Brightness slider. If the switcher is green, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!